Samson believed his strength lived in his hair. Cut it and he was weak. Grow it and he was strong. That belief became his vulnerability. Not because his hair had power, but because he outsourced power to a symbol. I see this everywhere. People attach their strength to small things: a title, a routine, a person, a belief they never questioned. Then they protect it like truth. The danger isn't in belief itself, it's in forgetting that it was chosen. What gives you strength today can become the thing that weakens you tomorrow, if you treat it as fixed. Beliefs are tools, not laws. If something you believe is shrinking your life, you're allowed to cut it off. Strength doesn't disappear when a belief changes, it moves. And the moment you realize that you stop living at the mercy of stories you can outgrow, just like that.